Good morning, guys. So today is day 2 in Australia, Sydney, Australia. It's a little bit cloudy today, so we're gonna spend most of the time indoor. We're going back to the Opera House. We didn't get to go inside yesterday because the last tour was at 5. We got there around 5:30, so we got the ticket for 11 o'clock tours today. Excited to go to see the inside. The outside was amazing. What else? We are gonna go to the Aquarium after. Again, we're gonna spend most of our day indoor, and we're gonna try hop on hop off bus for the whole city. V and I are red. We got sunburned yesterday. It was great.
Trying to look cute or something? We're at Mascot and we're trying to get to Circle Prairie, which is the Opera House. Right now we're waiting for the family to come, and this is what the train station looks like.
Going down.
We're inside the Opera House. Oh, where's everybody? Where's our tour? Where's the ambulance truck? So this man right here is gonna help us get back into a tour.
Drink some margaritas basking in blue lights. Listen to the mariachi play at midnight. Are you with me? Are you with me? I wanna dance by water beneath the Mexican sky. Drink some margaritas basking in blue lights. Listen to the mariachi play at midnight. Are you with me? Are you with me?
So that was the end of the tour. It was great. Learned a lot about the Opera House. It was actually designed by a Danish architect. His last name is Ibsen. And the Opera House it cost over $100 million for designing it, materials, time. It was great. Now we're heading to the aquarium next.
We're gonna go try some McDonald's in Australia. Let's see how different it is from the States. It's right there. Heading to the... Where are we heading? I forgot. The aquarium. Right after this. Just a quick snack. See how different it is. Oh, God.
It's self-serve. It's amazing, guys. You just select what you want and then you pay. And then you pick it up at the counter. It's pretty cool.
Sauce?
What's peri-peri sauce?
You'll find out. So we're doing this hop on, hop off bus to explore Sydney. Hop on, hop off bus. Definitely recommend this if you guys are going through Sydney and you guys have like 2 days.
Feeling the sun, party done, shadows walking home. Walking with a game on. You are my kind, classic mind, and you look so fine. Loving the cold, smoke and roll, see your fingers shake. And getting through your heartbreak, some kind of free, same for me, don't know what I need. Don't doubt me, babe, you make me wanna change. Break
here we are at the aquarium. It's a bit cloudy. It was sunny a bit earlier. We just got off the hop on hop off bus. It was actually a long ride. Our stop is on the 19th stop.
It's our last full day here.
Yep.
Tomorrow we're aiming for Bondi Beach. Hopefully the weather's good.
Yeah.
Let's see how good this aquarium is. So we got the Flexi 5 attraction pass, and the 5 attractions we went to was what was it? The hop on hop off cruise, hop on hop off bus. We're doing this as one of the attractions, the aquarium, and we did the zoo. And what did we do for the 5th? Alright.
Mexican skies, drink some margaritas basking in blue lights, listen to the mariachi play at midnight. Are you with me? Are you with me? I wanna dance by water beneath the Mexican skies, drink some margaritas basking in blue lights, listen to the mariachi play at midnight. Are you with me? Are you with me?
We're here at the Chinese restaurant for dinner. Family dinner again. Greens with black bean sauce.
Okay, no problem.
Crab.
Just got back with the fam. This is Mickey's grandma, right? Yeah. I'm not pointing at her, I'm pointing at the camera, but yeah. Just had a great meal at the restaurant. You know, I had some amazing Australian dishes, Australian Chinese dishes that you can't find in the States. I got to drive this car. It's totally the opposite from the US. Well, it's not opposite, it's just, it's on the left side. I mean right side driving. It's alright.
My foot is very uncomfortable right now.
Her foot was swollen the other day because she dropped a 25-pound plate right on her, is it right foot?
Left.
Her left foot.
And I've been doing a lot of walking.
Yeah, the past 2 days we've been doing non-stop walking. Now we're heading back home.